Hello and welcome to BMC Discovery. In this video, we are going to take a look on how to run a query on a regular schedule and then send the output of that query to SMB share folder. Let's take a look at the demo. Let's log into BMC Discovery appliance with system user. For this example, we will create a query to list all the hosts with Unix operating system and send them to SMB share every day at 2 o'clock. To build this query, let's click on Customize, select OS class, refresh the results, select only Unix servers, click on Raw Query, and copy this query. Go to Explore and Query, enter the query, and we only want to see the summary. Click on Run Query. This is the result that we want to send to the SMB share. Click on Customize, Raw Query, and copy the query. Let's log into the appliance from command line with Tideway user. First thing we need to do is create a script that can schedule a query and copy the result to an SMB share. You can create the script directly over here, but to understand the structure, we will create into a notepad. We will call this script unix_host_smb.sh. It will be saved in the path usr tideway. Since we are running this query on a regular schedule, first we need to remove the previous output file if it's there. In order to do that, use rm command and we will call the result file as result.csv. The next step is to run the query. For that, we will use the utility of tw_query. Select the username. In Discovery Appliance, go to Administration, click on Users. Reports is the user which is read-only permission. Enter the password for the user. Here you also have option to enter the password into a file and then use password file option to give path of that file. In this demo, we will just use the password. The file type is going to be CSV. We are going to store it in temp location and the file name is going to be results.csv. Then we are going to copy the query and enter the query here. Because this is the CSV file, you need to add the line to remove additional blank lines from the output. Now you have to enter the details to copy the result to SMB share. In this example, you have to enter the format with SMB client command with the share path, your file name, and the details about the SMB client. Using this format, we will enter this particular SMB client command in this report. We will save the report. Before finalizing the file, you can just copy this query, log into the appliance as Tideway user, and run the query from the command line. You can go to the folder cdtemp and see the content of the file to make sure they are populated correctly. This is the result that we see. Once this file is ready, let's move this file to the appliance. For this, we will log into the appliance with a tool called as WinSCP with Tideway user. We will copy the sh file to the usr tideway folder. Because we have created this file in Notepad, just once run dos-to-unix command in order to convert the file in Unix format. Now the next step is to schedule this in the cron tab. Let's log into the command line again. You can create the cron file over here as well. But for this example, to understand the structure, we will create it in Notepad. We will call this file unix_host_smb.cron. This cron job will send the report of all the Unix hosts. It will run every day at 2 o'clock. Here, enter the schedule for running this cron job every day at 2 o'clock and then give path where this sh file is stored. Then save this file as .cron file. Log into WinSCP again, go to the folder etc and cron, copy the cron file in this path, convert the file in Unix format. Now your file is ready. Log into the command line again and execute the command tw_cron_update to add this job in cron tab. Once this is done, You can run the command crontab-l to make sure that the job is added to the cron tab. Here at the end, we can see our job. Once the cron job is executed, check the Windows share. Here you can see that the result.csv file is created and the data is populated successfully. That's all in this session for right now. Thank you for watching.